Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Skills with Shehreen. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best way to create short engaging reel with music using Canva powerful video tools. So let's start. First, open Google and type custom size of shorts reel. Once you type it, now you can check what's the size of the short video reel should be. It's 1080 into 20 1920. So 1080 in wide and 1920 on a height. So now we can check it. Now we open new tab and open Canva. Log in into your Canva account. Click on custom size and then type or write reel shorts. It's 1080 into 1920, but I choose custom size, width 1080 and height is 1920. I sure you can understand what I want to say. Now I click on Instagram story. It's exactly what I want. So this interface will be open in front of you. Now I need motivational video, so I click on designs and then type on search bar motivational video. Multiple motivational videos open on there. I choose this one because it's attract me, so I customize it according to my need. I remove unnecessary things and this white text on the black background. Now it's good. Now I want to add music on my video reel, so I can click on element, then audio, and then this. Now I want to check the duration and check music. This is good. Now I can like it. Now I download this video. Thanks for watching.